Today I'm going to create a public IP address, and what I'm going to do first is I'm going to create a resource group called public prefix. Yeah. And then all you do is you go review and create it once you're finished. I'm going to add a public IP address, so you click on the icon and you click on the add button. You give this a name. And you go down to the resource group we created earlier and we create. I am going to create a web server, and I've created a new virtual machine. I've called it AJ Web 1. Now I'm just going to assign username and password, put in the ports I want to actually to be able to access it. Go to the disks, which is standard one, network management. Then I'll just create. It's actually deploying this new virtual image for me, so I'll be back. They should be up and running in about 5 to 10 minutes. Just remote into the web server. What I'm going to do is add roles and features. I'm going to install the web IASS server, add the features, and then click on next. Click on ASAP. You can add other features as well for your organization, such as applications. But this I'm just showing you as a testing environment here. This is the way you put on the applications. FTP service if you require it. You can always add them later. Install. I've typed in localhost, the web server, and that's working perfect. And to add the IP address, and that also works too. So we have created a public IP address and a web server, and we've also created public IP within the Microsoft Azure.